This is the homework video for Tuesday, 4/11/17. If you're working on OneNote, then it's in the Unit 6 homework folder, and it's labeled 4:10 through 4:13 homework, and then go to the Tuesday one. If you're using a hard copy, it's the one that says Tuesday. Okay, so first you were supposed to write an equation for each of these lines, and then you're supposed to find the solution to the system. The solution to the system is where the two lines intersect. So we can see that that is -4, 1. -4, 1. The equation for this line right here, its y-intercept is 0, 2. And if you draw on a slope triangle, it has a rise of 1 and a run of 4. And so the equation is y equals 1 over 4x plus 2. For this guy, it's going through 0, -3 down here. That's its y-intercept, so -3. And then if you draw a slope triangle for it, its rise is going down 3, and its run is going over 3, and -3 divided by -3 is -1, which means the equation is y equals -x minus 3. The secret message is that I want you to show how you could solve this with the equations instead of graphing. So I'm going to go to the next page. I'm setting the two equations equal, and I can do that because they're both equal to y, so they're both equal to each other. My first step after I set them equal is always get the x by itself, and so I'm going to get rid of the smaller x first, which is this -1x. And to get rid of it, I'm adding x to both sides. So I'm adding an x here, and I'm adding an x here. This cancels out, and that leaves me with just -3. Don't forget to drop your equal sign. And over here, if you add a 1x to a 1/4 x, you're going to get a 1.25 or a 1 1/4 x. Don't forget to drop down your 2. Now I want to get this x by itself, and so always get rid of addition and subtraction first. So to get rid of this addition, I'm subtracting 2 here and subtracting 2 on the other side of the equal sign. That's going to give me -5 equals 1.25x. This is multiplication, and to undo multiplication you divide, so I'm dividing here and dividing here. This cancels out to give me 1x or x, and this becomes -4. Then I plug the -4 into this x spot right here. So I did the opposite, that's this right here, of -4 minus 3 equals y. The opposite of -4 is +4. 4 minus 3 equals y. 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 equals y. That's the same answer I get when I solved it graphically. And you're done. I'll see you tomorrow.